There's a brand new DEX in the Cosmos ecosystem. Let's take a look. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips to low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on the channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. The new DEX in the Cosmos ecosystem is Astrovault. The website is astrovault.io. Astrovault is a decentralized exchange built on the Archway blockchain. It features autogenic DAO treasury, one-to-one stable swaps. Astrovault is designed to be a premier DEX for the entire Cosmos ecosystem. Some of the key features are an autogenic DAO treasury. Astrovault's treasury is funded by a percentage of the platform's trading fees. This treasury is used to support the development and growth of Astrovault, as well as to provide rewards to users. It also has one-to-one stable swaps. Astrovault allows users to swap one stablecoin for another without incurring any slippage. This is made possible by Astrovault's use of nebula pools, which provide deep liquidity for stablecoins. Astrovault also offers a variety of other features, such as limit orders, stop-loss orders, and staking rewards. Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to bring our assets onto the Archway blockchain. To do this, we go to where it says My Assets. We go to these three little lines down here. If we click on that, it says Manage Your Assets. So then we go to IBC Deposit, and we want to do Cosmos Hub. And if I hit max, I think I got 4.2 ATOM on there. So I'm going to bring in 4 ATOM. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit deposit. And it's going to charge me 4 cents a transaction fee to bring it in. So that'll bring it in from the IBC to Archway blockchain. Because that's what Astrovault is on. It's on the Archway blockchain. Okay, once that transaction goes through, it'll show here in the My Assets section. Because now it's on the Archway blockchain. So if we go here to trade, we can swap, ATOM for any of these other tokens here. I'm not sure if we want to do that. If we go to pools, we're going to take a look at the different pools. There's no APRs yet because they're going to do an airdrop of their tokens first. That airdrop is going to go to early users of the platform. It says here on their Twitter page, now that we've launched the product, we'd love to share a bit about what we have planned next. We are thrilled to announce that there will be an airdrop to incentivize the early users of the platform. So basically, if you're an early user of the platform and you're adding liquidity, you're going to get some sort of airdrop or qualifies for some sort of airdrop. What I'm doing is I'm just adding into this staked ATOM pool, stable pool. And that's my plan, is just to get into that for now. Once the APRs show up, I might switch around and go to another pool. But for now, I'm just adding liquidity to the X ATOM pool. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have the 4 ATOM tokens here. I'm going to go to deposit. I'm going to hit max. And I'm going to deposit them into the pool. You're going to use Arch tokens as the fee because we're on the Arch blockchain currently. So we're going to hit approve. The transaction should go through here. It says it's processing. The transaction went through, and now I have a total of 4.5 ATOM added to liquidity for the protocol. So now if I go to the dashboard over here, it's going to show what I have deposited. And then once the rewards start, then I'll start accumulating rewards on this protocol. The rewards will be accumulated in their token. Their token is the AXV token. Astrovault's native token is called AXV. AXV tokens can be used to pay for trading fees, participate in governance, and earn rewards. I can't see their white paper. I keep going down here and trying to find it. I hit white paper, it does a 404 page lock error. So I'm kind of winging it today on this. There's supposed to be no slippage on trades, which is good. And then you're supposed to get what they call gravitate rewards when you make a trade. So I guess we could try it here. If we do Arch and then we do, let's say 5 Arch to Atom and trade, prove the transaction. See, it gives us gravitate rewards. So these rewards will be paid out in their native token, which is kind of cool because they're trying to make it like a no-fee platform because you're not going to have any slippage and then you're going to have hardly any gas fees for any of your transactions. It's a super new project, so it's going to have, quite a bit of risk because it's brand new. If we look at their Twitter page here, the second section, it says, "We firmly believe creators should stand by their products. In that spirit, we intend to hold off on launching our token until we've had adequate time to showcase the platform. Value should not be solely speculative. We will prove ourselves first," which is good. It says, "We thoroughly believe this will ultimately be best for all, the DAO, the protocol, and its various users. I want to extend immense thanks to everyone choosing to dive in early with us and LP. We look forward to ushering in a brand new future for DeFi together." Again, it's a super new platform. It has a lot of cool ideas. I think the only pool that I'm contributing to is the Atom pool. I just feel safest in that one. Once rewards launch, I may take a look at some of these other pools. I do like the Jackal project. I think that's a decent project. The USDC Arch, the possibility as well. Looks like by far that has the most liquidity added. And the XArch Jackal pool also has quite a bit of liquidity added to it as well. I'm a big fan of the Cosmos ecosystem, and any project that comes out on it, I'm going to give a chance. So I wanted to get this one out to you guys so you could give it a chance if you want to. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you have anything to add to it that I missed, leave that in the comments as well. I like to have the best, most accurate information on my channel. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.